Hello, good evening, everyone. This is our DVZ 777 microscope along with an HD monitor. This is a stereo zoom microscope which comes with a built-in camera as well as a monitor with it. So for now, it is showing a zoom ratio of 3.8x to 25x, and so the magnification is from 3.8 to 25 when you talk about the zoom microscope. But when it comes to the monitor screen, the magnification becomes from 30x to 200x. So as of now, what you are seeing is 30x magnification, but it can be increased to 200x as well. So we have kept a small slip here, which we are testing from the testing in the microscope. So this microscope comes with two USB cable. One USB cable is for your mouse, this one. The other USB cable if in case you want to connect it to a laptop. The third is the HDMI cable which is connected to a monitor. And the fourth one is the power cord. Now I'll start my analysis. First of all, what I'm going to do is through the focus knob, as you can see, it has a focusing system, a coarse focusing system. I'll just make it out of focus. Here it goes out of focus. It's hazy, it's not clear. The first thing which I would do is to bring it into focus. Now, currently, the microscope is at its lowest magnification, that is 3.8x. I think this is the optimum clarity which it achieves. Now, you have this LED switch here with the help of which you can increase the magnification as much as you want. And you see side by side, the magnification here also increases or decreases. It is automatically connected. According to me, according to the sample, I feel this is the optimum magnification, right? Also, I'm seeing PhD written in, a completely, I want it to be written straight, right? I want to see it straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, not here, sorry. I'm going to go to the settings. Here I'm going to adjust this. All right. Now it's written correct. So people, first of all, the first function is that if you closely look at it, I'll adjust the zoom knob from here and the magnification will get adjusted. The maximum magnification which it goes to is 200x. So the below are the next functions. For example, also one quick setting is that it is auto calibrated. Currently, whatever it is going to measure would be in millimeters. It also has other option called micrometer, inch, or or miles. And the last one here is MIL, that is 1,000th of a inch. So calibration is already set as discussed. Now we can, for example, if I want to measure in millimeter, just in case, I want to measure in millimeter, and now I click on this line. I can simply draw a line, for example, this. I'll see that this is my line number and this is my 6.32 mm is the length of this line. So I can draw this line like this, haphazardly, randomly. But when I click on this option, I can draw only a straight line. No matter how I draw, I'll be able to draw only a straight line. Similarly, vertically, I'll be able to draw this. Now, for example, if I want to divide my picture into quadrants, I'll click here. And you can see that it has been divided into 4 quadrants, right? If I want to remove it, I'll again click on this picture, this option, and the quadrant would be removed. Now, these are the parallel lines. Now, for example, if I click on this particular line, so I'll be drawing here and then here. Now this will tell me the distance between the two, right? Similarly, these are some measurement functions. Now I'll tell you a better measurement function, that is a rectangle. Now for example, if I draw a rectangle, I'll be getting width, height, perimeter, surface area. Same goes for circle. If I draw a circle, I'll get radius, diameter, perimeter, surface area. I can draw concentric circles also. I can draw polygons, different type of polygons, and I can also write something just in case I want to write something. For example, VERE. Okay. So here you see WERE, my bad. WERE is written. So I can write text also. Now I'll come on to the next functions, that is graphic setting, just in case I want to adjust the number of decimals, for example. 1.600. If in case I put 3 decimals, 4 decimals. If I want to adjust the size of the matter, I can make it big as per my preference. I can make it small. Similarly, I can adjust the colors and likewise the different settings, width of the line also. So these are just the settings. I'll cross it for the time being. This is a freeze option, right? Now, for example, even if I move my picture slightly, there would be no movement here. This is the freeze option. Now the picture would have been disturbed if I open this option now. Anyway, slightly. This is the setting option. I think this is something that is really magical. But before we proceed on to settings, I think I would like to remove all these lines which I have made. So I'll just click here, click on any of the option and click on remove all. And now I'll click on OK. Now it is clear. Now already I'm getting so much of clarity, but what if I want to increase and want to see each and everything really clearly? What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to adjust. Now you see the magic. I'm going to see use sensor size. Double click on here, double click here. Sorry. It has become clearer. I can adjust the color. Being so clear. Whatever I want it to be. Everything is so clear. Likewise, if I want to reduce or change the lighting, as you can see, this is so clear. So all in all, these are the main functions of this microscope with monitor. This is the delete option. If in case I do not want to use removal option, I can simply click on delete. Okay, people, I'd also like to show the default image. This is something which we have done, but what was the image exactly? This it was, right? So we have changed it slightly. This is how it should have been, but it gives you so many features that you can adjust your image with utmost clarity. Likewise, you can save it here as well. So for example, if I want to click and save the picture, I can maybe EX something and I can save. So the picture is saved now. I can click on capture. Okay. This function always works if you insert a pen drive here, right? A pen drive over here. If you insert it, you can click the picture. So these are a few functions. Rest we'll discuss tomorrow.